Hey guys, here's a Fasco Charleston ceiling fan. Got the Fanimation, these were for sale. I've been wanting a Fasco Charleston for a while. I believe this is the second or third generation. This is probably, I think it's probably the Fasco Charleston second generation, I think. Not sure. I think it's the second generation. The third generation, one of those two. This one does not wobble too bad, actually. And the funny thing is about the reverse switch. The funny thing about the reverse switch is it's above the blades and stuff on the cover of the switch housing there. I mean the cover, motor housing and stuff. Because the reverse is like right there. It's kind of weird looking. Usually it's like right on the side of the housing, but it's how the way it is. It's like C brackets. Top. And the canopy for is down there. But I just put it like this because I was just afraid it might fall if I put the canopy off on like that. With the really short cracking down rod. See? It does have a fly, but it's pretty strong actually, so it does make a little noise. A lot of noise, a little bit. It does say warning to reduce the risk of fire or shock, you need to use a Fasco remote, but looks like it works okay, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good sign of it, so. Anyways, here's Law. This was missing a couple parts. One, the down rod was missing, and two, the long bracket was missing. So. Medium. Doesn't wobble actually it doesn't wobble too bad. It doesn't wobble too bad, but. It's usually on the reverse switch. It usually is on the side of the switch housing, but Charleston's are It's usually, I heard about Fasco Old South does the same thing. Have a research on the corner housing, the side of it, the bottom of it. So I don't know, but I've seen Fasco Old Souths on YouTube and stuff. I've never seen them in real life. I don't think. However, a Fasco Old South was kind of like a Charleston a little bit, except the vents right there, those small holes, really small holes, are a little shaped. It's kind of almost like Charleston, but almost, but not really, not exactly. It's like Charleston, so. Hi. Wobbles up there. Trying to remember if I've ever seen a Charleston at a different store or something. I like to use my thumb to stop. Like, I'll put it on the side of the fly over there. See, watch. This is the reverse switch right here, so reverse it. I've never seen the Fasco Charleston. Guys, just so you know, at the Pizza Hut in Hagerstown, that old Pizza Hut restaurant, it's kind of like between Kmart and stuff. That pizza is closed down, so maybe I could get a view. I can try to get a view of the fans, but we can't go outside because it's closed down and stuff. So I'm gonna try to see if I can view it from the window. Maybe they took them. Maybe the fans aren't there at all. Maybe they're gone. I don't know. Maybe we could try to look inside the windows to see if the fans are still there. I don't know. Who knows? So I'm trying to go there this weekend at the old one. It's gonna be tweet on. I'm not sure when. There's a medium. I think no. Hi. I hear the noise on this. I heard a noise in here. Whatever the heck. What is it? Noise. I don't want to get close. Yeah, it's a noise. It's like a wind whistling or something. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. It's my Fasco Charleston. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the talk. Out.